The LMS that I chose was Google Classroom, and one of the interesting features that I found on Google Classroom was this menu up on the top left where there's a link to your classes, and if you click on that, all of your classes will pop up, and below that is a calendar, which helps you stay organized within all of your classes and allows you to put your assignments and your appointments on there and keeps you organized in one place. Another feature that I really liked was this bell up on the top right, and that's the notification center, where your assignments, any notifications that you want to set up to have alert you about assignments or classes or appointments are all in one place to remind you. And one last feature that I really liked about Google Classroom was this menu called Google Apps up on the top right. And if you click on that, you can have a link to your account settings. You can click to Google really fast. You can go to Google Maps easily, or YouTube, or your email, and many other Google apps easily. So those are some unique features that I really liked about Google Classroom.